థర్మల్ విద్యుత్ కేంద్రంలో తొలి పైలట్ ప్రాజెక్టుగా కాలుష్య రహిత విద్యుత్ కు సంస్థ సీజీఎం దివాకర్ కౌశిక్ ఎన్టీపీసీ టౌన్షిప్ లో 9 కోట్లతో 50 మెగావాట్ల హరిత ఆధారిత గ్రీన్ హైడ్రోజన్ మైక్రో గ్రిడ్ ప్రాజెక్టుకు శంకుస్థాపన చేశారు. ఈ ప్రాజెక్టును 8 నెలల్లో పూర్తి చేస్తున్నట్లు బెంగళూరుకు చెందిన బ్లూమ్ ఎనర్జీ సంస్థకు అప్పగించినట్లు సంస్థ సీజీఎం తెలియజేశారు. ఫ్లోటింగ్ సోలార్ నుండి పవర్ తీసుకుని నీటి ఎలక్ట్రోలైజర్ ద్వారా హైడ్రోజన్ ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తుందని, పగలంతా ఉదయం 7 గంటల నుంచి సాయంత్రం 5 గంటల వరకు సోలార్తోనూ, రాత్రి 5 గంటల నుంచి ఉదయం 7 గంటలకు పగటిపూట భద్రపరిచిన హైడ్రోజన్ ఫ్యూయల్ సెల్ ఆధారంగా పవర్ జనరేట్ చేసిన పవర్ తీసుకుంటున్నట్లు అధికారులు తెలియజేశారు. 2070 నాటికి దేశంలోనే కాలుష్యరహిత తొలి పైలట్ ప్రాజెక్టుగా నిలవాలని ప్రధానమంత్రి ఆదేశించారన్నారు.
Officials from Bloom Energy and media members and my dear colleagues. Today is a very auspicious day for NTPC Simhadri. In the month of August we had done our floating solar 25 megawatt. That was the largest of its kind in India, and now just after 2-3 months we have got another opportunity to prove our worth in NTPC. NTPC management time to time is placing confidence in us to carry out pilot projects at NTPC Simhadri. We have proved ourselves in the past, and this time also this prestigious project of green hydrogen production and green hydrogen based microgrid project, which we are doing in association with Bloom Energy, has been conferred to NTPC Simhadri for as a pilot demonstration project, one of its kind in India. So we should all be very happy and proud also of this occasion, and should make this commitment from our side that we will complete this project in the scheduled time, and this will again improve the image of our plant in NTPC as well as in India, so that this project it will be to a 50 kilowatt micro. So this is a green project and has been positioned like that only, but from Simhadri now the requirement is that we'll complete this project in the scheduled time or in the lesser time than the schedule, and we'll complete it with all its efficiency with regard to green hydrogen. So we have to prove ourselves through this project to a higher level. Thank you all for joining this function, and we must commit ourselves and rededicate ourselves for successful commissioning and demonstration of this project. Thank you.
Another feather in NTPC Simhadri's cap. Let us keep our commitment for this project, and let us keep NTPC Simhadri's flag high. Thank you.
Power we produced, and then the problem was that it will be there only daytime. How to make it available night time? So this is Bloom Energy has come out with this technology, and whatever feeling is that solar power can be only in daytime and night till storage of electric is made conducive and viable. This is a good technology, and we will allay the fear that solar energy is not sustainable. It is a well-established step towards establishing solar power as a sustainable energy kudos to NTPC management for trying out this new technology at Simhadri, which is one of the high-fi project of NTPC. Thank you one and all. And once again, I expect in this financial year we should complete this project. Let us see. Okay, we can do it. Thank you.
Thank NTPC's management for choosing Bloom and looking at Simhadri, Kaushik ji and this full team. We've been having a good interaction with the team and we found there's a lot of potential here. As you rightly said, when this project was discussed with us, they were looking at very remote locations. The idea for this project is to go into deeper areas of India where we know that all of us are being part of paying the tax because the electricity which is paid at the remote areas is so high. This project at this sort of a quantum is a perfect fit. This is where we are looking at this project to take forward. We have already started having interest from various entities and government organizations for this project. So, as you rightly said, sir, it's got a big impact. And very interestingly, if I can just go back, we are doing a combination of this. That's we are producing hydrogen and producing power. A round trip efficiency, not many people have tried. All have concentrated on putting up only the hydrogen front. So this round trip efficiency, if you are able to prove, and if you are able to deliver, as sir was saying that, solar is found to be only for the daytime use. In places where it's still used, you will find this as a big potential. And we being modular as Bloom Energy, we can expand. We are only looking at 50 kilowatts, which is not a commercial model. Our minimum model is 1 megawatt. From there, what we go in both power and electrolyzer. NTPC, when we were discussing this, we initially felt it was small, but when that concept came in, I think it's a fantastic opportunity for Bloom, and we will give you full support to ensure this happens with whatever time frame which you are looking at, which is the key for us also, because we tend to work with more projects with NTPC. And Simhadri has always been one of our lookouts initially also. So it's a good opportunity in various fronts for us. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for all of you to give us the support, and we will ensure that we try to complete it as quickly as possible.
Management to give this opportunity to us and getting the things in proper set, and we hope this project is going to be leading the way in India, because it is one of the largest commercial, largest project as far as India is concerned. So I would like to thank our beloved HOP sir, who has spared his valuable time despite of so many busy meeting schedule today, and guiding us in laying the foundation of this project. I would also like to thank Srivastava ji, CGM SSC, who has, despite a busy schedule, and he has kept his words, and he reached us and encouraged us. Thank you, sir. I like to thank our respected GM 1M sir, Mr. Chokse sir, who is always a guiding force for leading any new things. So thank you, sir, for coming here. Lastly, I like to thank all my HODs, Team Bloom, media persons, ICH, then all the those who are associated with making this event a success. So we look forward for all cooperations to make this thing happen as quick as possible. Thank you, sir.
This is one of its kind project for NTPC Simhadri. This is a microgrid, green hydrogen based microgrid project of 50 kilowatt. In this we will be producing green hydrogen using power from our floating solar project and using water as input source. And then this green hydrogen will be stored in cylinders, and this green hydrogen will be utilized during the night time in a fuel cell which will produce power equivalent to 50 kilowatt. And our entire power supply of our Samudrika guest house demonstration project, for if proven successful here, it can be used at remote locations for supplying of electricity using green hydrogen, producing it from renewable energy and supplying it for generating power. So this will be one of its kind project in India, and it will pave way for a greener and better future for all across India. Thank you.
ఇవాళ ఎన్టీపీసీ సింహాద్రిలో ఒక కొత్త ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఇది మైక్రో గ్రిడ్. ఇది సోలార్ పవర్ నుంచి పవర్ తీసుకొని ఇది నైట్కి ఎప్పుడు సోలార్ పవర్ లేదు అప్పుడు హైడ్రోజన్ నుంచి పవర్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసి తెస్తారు. అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ సస్టైనబుల్ ఎనర్జీ. మంచిగా అనుకుంటారు ఇది సోలార్ పవర్ డేలో ఉంటుంది. నైట్ కోసం ఇది సోలార్ పవర్ నుంచి పవర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్, నైస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.